All right, it's Jim and Frank once again from the showroom at American Metal Roofs in Flint. And we've been talking about pricing lately.
You sure have.
This one is a big one. You can save up to 50% on the cost of an American Metal Roof. Now, how is that possible?
Actually, you can save even a little bit more than 50%.
Really?
So,
Okay.
yes. Jim, we have a lot of customers that we teach to do their own metal roofs.
Oh, okay.
In other words, they don't need the installation part. They're enamored with the product. They maybe have built their own house. They're handy. They're 40, 45 years old. They got a couple of buddies. They got to do a good weekend project, and they have a house that isn't overly complicated. And we'll actually bring them into a seminar and work with our people and show them how to install the product.
So there are actual seminars then for do-it-yourself?
Yes, monthly. Next one coming up will be in February. We alternate seminars between Flint and our Charlotte location
So
over near
in this
Lansing.
room?
In this room, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We limit how many people we'll let in, 10, 12 people, so that we're not overly crowded. We'll work on some displays. Matter of fact, I have a display right here
Okay.
that we use. We'll roll in several different displays. And for instance, this particular one would help us show somebody how that they could do a transition, or how to do a pipe flashing, or on the other side, how to do a wall flashing and install shingles, things of that nature.
Okay, so after the seminar though, what if you forget all this stuff? Yeah.
Well, here's the way it really goes. They're going to come in. We're going to take them through and help them first of all understand what type of metal roof is going to be best for them.
Okay.
Do they need steel? Are they looking for copper? Are they looking for aluminum? It doesn't matter to us. Are they looking for a barn metal project? Are they looking for a shingle product or standing seam for their house?
Okay.
Once we've determined that with them, then we walk through step by step. How do you get a roof ready? How do you put the underlayment down? How do you put starter on? And how do you put the trims on? We run through everything step by step. Again, if their house is complicated, we're going to advise that they not do it. If it's not safe, we don't want them doing their project.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Once we help them put together their order, if they decide this is what they want to do, then we're going to give them some other information in the form of chaptered DVDs, okay? Which is basically a manual.
Okay.
And literally they can go through step by step and watch 3, 5, 7, 10-minute videos on how to do that particular component
Okay.
of it.
All right.
Okay? We're not going to let them fail. Okay? And walk them through every step. Second thing, let's say that they run into a problem with that thingamajig on the roof. Okay?
Yeah.
They can dial an 800 number and talk to somebody about the thingamajig that they're having problems, or shoot a picture, send it to us, and we're going to tell them how to handle that particular instance.
Okay.
We had hundreds of people install their metal roofs, and people, mostly metal roof companies, want to say, well, homeowners can't do it. That's not true. With the right education, with the support that we have here, with the videos, and if they really get into a tough area, they can rent a guy. We have a golden hammer program where literally one of our guys will come there with all of our equipment, and we have customers who say, I'm going to do all of this part. Could I get you to do the skylights and maybe the stone chimney?
Sure.
And we'll do that for them.
Okay, well, that's great. That's
Yeah.
great. So, savings of over 50%?
Yeah, you know what? Depending on how many pieces of trim, if it's a straight roof, they're going to save a little bit more than 50%.
Wow.
It's going to be approximately half the cost of having an American metal roof installed by our crew.
Okay, and we will not let you fail.
Not going to let them fail. We're even going to tell them what safety equipment they should get if they don't own any, where they can rent a brake. They can buy hand snips, and they can buy brake tools here of high quality, put it on Marketplace and sell it after they're done and get basically 70% of their money back.
Sure.
Okay. Our goal is to help them get a quality roof. And I will tell you, some of the most beautiful roofs that I've seen installed have been done by our customers themselves, because they'll take creativity. I've seen people emboss the trim, run through special things, tool and die makers that do their own work. Absolutely some stunning work.
Well, that's cool. Okay, so the next do-it-yourself seminar here at American Metal Roofs in this room, the showroom here, is in February. We're going to link you to our website where you can find the DIY sign-up, so you can sign up for the seminar. Plus, we're going to link you to one of the videos that you'll see that demonstrates, just one of the chapters that demonstrates how to install an American metal roof if you want to do it yourself and save.